Hey, this is Dave with Custom Dynamics. Today we're going to talk about our new LED sequential module. This is what it looks like. It's a small module, lifetime warranty, as with all of our other Custom Dynamics products. It has two switches on here, which controls our sequencing speed. So what this does is it takes an ordinary turn signal and it'll convert it to sequential turn signals. So you have to have more than one group. It'll work between 2 and 5 groups of LEDs. Each group of LED can have multiple LEDs in it. So we have this set up for a 5 LED demonstration here, but this could really be 10 LEDs, 15 LEDs. I could have 3 LEDs in each group of these. I could have 4 LEDs, 5 LEDs in each group of these. So it'll again work with multiple LEDs in multiple groups. And it takes each group and makes it sequential. So right now I have a dual color white amber LED, and what it does is it has a built-in feature to turn off the running light, which in this case is white, when the turn signal comes on. So if you're using it with the dual color, that's great because it allows the amber to come through. If you're using with single color, just amber LEDs, it'll work fine also. So here we go here. We'll turn the turn signal on. We have it set for 5. You'll see now these 5 LEDs are sequential instead of all flashing at the same time as a standard LED. So we're at 5 here, and I will change the pattern here. To do that, I have to turn the bike off, so I'll turn my display off here to make that change. And all I do on my module is change the switch setting from 5 to 4. Now when I turn back on and I hit my turn signal on my bike, I'm now going across 4 LEDs. All right, so if I had this wired up as 4 or 8 or 12, again, I could have multiple LEDs in each group. Okay, so that's 4. Turn the bike off. And turn the bike back on. Now, if you have just 2 LEDs, you typically want longer LEDs. So if I had a longer LED like this and had 2 of them, I could make these sequential too, as long as I have access to each individual group. So if this has a wire, a positive wire, this has a positive wire. Again, they have to be individually wired. If these are all just one LED with one wire, it doesn't work. I need to have this be an individual LED, this be an individual LED in order to work. Because what it has here is a quick disconnect. So if you ever need to disconnect it, you can. And then the LEDs are hardwired to this. So depending on how many LEDs you wire it up, and again, plug your quick disconnect back in. So if I have 2 LEDs, I'm just going to use the 2 wires in the ground. If I have 5, I'm going to use the 5 wires in the common ground. This will work on the rear of the bike with red LEDs, in addition to on the front of the bike with amber or amber white LEDs. And it could work on the rear of the bike with a dual color LED if that's something that you had wired up to. So lifetime warranty, it's available at Custom Dynamics and available through your local drag specialties dealer. And it will take ordinary LEDs that are amber and convert them to sequential, and also work with dual color and convert them from a standard turn signal to a sequential turn signal.